Namah Shivaya. Hara Hara Mahadev. The Father's the great, Allahu Akbar. Isn't this how we worship our God? We spend millions, billions on making temples, mosques, churches. We do war with each other. We kill each other. To save whom? To save God. Really? Do you think God need our saving? If we want to save, then let's just save the boon of our God, the art of our God, environment. When we save environment, we save ourselves. And as long as we are saved, our God is saved. Thanking our host for providing me this opportunity. Namaste and a cheerful good morning to respected chief guest, unbiased jury, present intellectuals, our supporters, and everyone being here. This is me, Biveshna Prasai from class 9, representing Janki Secondary Boarding School, feeling really proud for being selected in top 5 and now delivering a speech in front of you all on the topic environment at this fabulous speech competition held by Mithila Foundation. Environment, not a place to visit, but a home to stay. Environment is nothing but everything that surrounds us. It includes us, human beings, living beings, the sun, the sky, the moon, the trees, and almost everything. Environment gives us countless benefits that we can't repay our entire life. Our human society is embedded with nature. Every mouthful food we eat, every breath of air we take comes from our environment. Environment gives us shelter. Environment provides life to varieties of animals. Environment helps in biodiversity. Environment maintains ecosystem. A walk in nature walks the soul back home. Our mental and physical health enjoys the natural beauty, isn't it? Yeah, but are we preserving that? Definitely not. We are making it uglier. All the modern actions in this modern world are affecting our environment directly. Globalization, urbanization, deforestation, excessive use of fossil fuel, excessive use of fuel vehicles, excessive use of natural resources are degrading our environment. All these self-centered human activities are creating global warming, climate change, overpopulation, overpollution, greenhouse effects, and many more things which ruin our eco-balance, which destroy everything basically, which disbalance our delicate bond of ecosystem. Well, I have something. This. What is this? A plastic flower, right? Really? We are doing urbanization, we are globalization, we are cutting trees and making factories to produce this, which doesn't even have the quality of flowers. It doesn't smell good, nah? It doesn't have any smell. And now, I have this. What is this? I don't need to explain, I guess. Yeah, now tell me, which is better, which is good, which is pure, which is real? Perfect. Now, somewhere in the search of gold, we are definitely losing our diamond. We are the first generation to feel the full effects of climate change and the last generation that can do something about it. Our ecosystem and Earth has been damaged a lot, which is very hard to get in its natural position, but it's never too late. We just never have to get tired of trying our best to make our environment. Can't we at least plant one tree to save environment? Can't we? Of course we can. In fact, we have to plant as much tree as we can, because greenery is the only solution of almost all environmental problems. We should use RRR method, reduce, reuse, and recycle. We should control pollution. We should control population. We should do as much thing as we can to make environment a better place. When the environment is better, we are better. To leave the world a little better than we found it, sometimes we have to pick other people's dress. And on top, we must maintain humanity towards Earth. We can't make Earth as perfect as before, but definitely better. And we have to realize that we won't have a society if we damage our environment. Let's adopt the peace and value of nature. And at last, let's ensure that Earth doesn't belong to us. We belong to Earth. Thanking you all for listening my words, understanding my views. 1 minute. Before we die, हामी मर्नुभन्दा अगाडि पृथ्वीलाई केही 1% त राम्रो बनाएर मरौ यार। के गर्यौ हामीले? धन्यवाद। जय श्री राम।